Hello everybody, today we make a potato salad. We gotta start to chop everything. We got garlic and I got the shallot. Cut this shallot nice thin slice. And this is the dish. We put everything over here. Now we put the anchovy. This in Italian, acciughe, anchovy. And we take out and look at this. I don't use the oil, because the oil of the anchovy, it's too strong. Now we got olives, olive, capri, caper. Okay, now we start with the potato too. This we cut this and a half, not a half like that, a half. It's so good like this. Not too small, like when you mix, you don't want to break everything. The potato already are cooked already. And let's put it right over here in the same dish together over here. Look how beautiful color you got this potato. Really beautiful. Okay, now it's done with the potato and now we gotta do the tomato. I got this little scoopy. Scoopy-doo. And we see this. We dig a little bit like this. Look at that. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Now we cut the tomato and a half. And we start like this. Look. Look how nice. It go together right over here. Okay, now we put oregano, really good. This give a, oh, it smells so good, the oregano, look at that, beautiful. This is my oregano, every year I'm making my fresh oregano. Okay, now let's chop the parsley. This parsley is so beautiful. Look at the color, nice green. You see this salad I was make? Try, easy. After when you try, you say, you know why? I don't want to look at TV. I want to cook. I want to prepare a nice dinner for my wife, for my girlfriend, or for my family. It's really nice when somebody come home and you prepare this dish for everybody. Say, oh boy, he prepared a beautiful dish. He never did it before, but now he do really good job. Try and you like. Look. After you do like this, look, it boom. Okay, now we start the salt. Not too much salt. That's enough. Vinegar. That's enough. Oil. Look at the color of the oil, how beautiful. Look at that, look at this, look at this. You got the color of the potato, the same. Okay, black pepper. Now we give a mix, but when you mix, make sure that no squeeze. Mix delicate, like this, you see? Nice. Okay, you don't want to break the potato, and you don't want to break the tomato. You see the garlic and the onion no break. Now, the potato. The taste. Olive, pepper, a nice cool beer with a beautiful salad. It's delicious. Cin cin, salute everybody. A salute!